Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are uploading a continuous series for last minute revision study plan. In this last minute revision study plan, in this video, we are going to see on paper number 6. The paper number 6 is an interesting area which you need to focus, and it is an exemption paper. You can score 60 plus in this paper. A previous paper, paper number 5, law and ethics, is also exemption paper. Our simple target is for exemption. I always tell my students to score exemptions and at least 2 papers in each and every group we are going to write. Okay, here our first area we are going to focus is module 1. That's our first. Because we need to know some basics. How the accounting is formed, what is the basics, what is the in basics, they may ask you a test on depreciation, banking reconciliation statement, rectification of errors, majorly provision for bad and doubtful debts. In this 4 area only, the numerical questions can be tested. Apart from this, they may test you theory question that is based on MCQs. What is this 188 mark, 128 marks? It is a paper, total paper weightage. The total paper worth is for 128 marks. You are going to write it for 100 marks. So this weightage is not based on this 100. It is based on 128. So that only I have given bifurcation. Okay, anything can happen. They may ask you BRS for 10 marks. They may ask you depreciation for 10 marks. They may ask you rectification for 10 marks or 7 marks or 8 marks. Any case, any permutation, any combination is applicable. So what you need to do in the last 20 days, 18 to 20 days you are left with. Okay, so don't carry a fear or always carry a confidence with you towards your examination hall. Don't carry a fear. Fear will kill you. Okay, after this module 1, we are going to focus on the next interesting part as per the module. Then it is module number 2. Our criteria, our order is also 2. Accounting for special transaction, first complete, bills of exchange, and consignment. Complete this 2. Keep this as your last priority. Keep this joint venture as your last priority because there is only one question can be tested. Either the bills of exchange, 8-mark question, remaining everything from MCQs, or either it can be a consignment, or either it can be joint venture. The maximum probability is bills of exchange and consignment rather than going with joint venture. Okay, once this part is done, next we are connected with basics. No, we will directly go to the next most important crucial accounting standard. This should be a third thing. Okay, first study that what is accounting for disclosure policies you need to study. Okay, accounting for disclosure policies you need to study. Once you studied with accounting for disclosure policies, once you have studied for accounting for disclosure policies, you can study for AS10, property, plant and equipment, AS11, effects of changes in foreign exchange, government grants, AS16, borrowing costs, accounting for taxes on income. Previously, this, and all it's in the group. Only AS10 and AS1 is in the group 1 under the old syllabus. Okay, this AS22 is taxes on income. There can be a probability of questions to be tested here. Majorly focus on your pure conceptuals if you're going for a self-study, because an accounting standard is an important thing. This accounting standard, don't underestimate this accounting standard. This accounting standard will be there in CMA final also in the name of INDAS, Indian Accounting Standards. Before that, directly jumping into AS1, 10, 11, 12, and 16 and 22, go with the same order. First complete AS1, then 10. If you want to switch it off, 16 and 11, you can switch it off. 12, you can study independently, and 22 also, you can study independently. Before that, study introduction to AS, how the AS has been formed, how it has been framed, and then what is an AS, because they are asking direct theory questions from it. Okay, in introduction to accounting standards, you are having gap, what is an AS, and convergence to Ind AS. How accounting standard has been converted into Ind AS. We have adopted a convergence model, that is carve-ins and carve-outs. So apply this because it is having a weightage of 25 to 28 marks. you can expect this from introduction part. That is for you are having 9.1, correct? In this 9.1, you can expect 7 marks question. Okay, one direct theory questions. And from this AS 1 and 10 put together, you can expect 1 7 mark. 11 to 12, you can expect 1 7 mark. 12 to 22, you can expect 7 mark. Or this put together, they will ask you 3 questions. This 7 marks, they will, in the combination of 3 MCQs, they will be testing you. So AS is the most crucial. In CMA final, there is a paper called CFR. Okay, that is your paper number 18 in syllabus. At that time, they will test you. Few accounting standards you are studying, no. So that even this module number 5 is regarding AS only. AS 19, accounting for leases. Whenever you come across with module 9, immediately go for module 5 and study that part. Okay, study that part. Once it has been done. Now, coming to the heart of this paper, most crucial area. Every student will be cseet. cseet is final accounts of commercial organization. In our exam oriented batch, we are covering everything, not for profit organization and from incomplete records. There can be a probability of testing is NPO they will test. Account from incomplete records they will test. 28 marks. At least 2 questions will be there. Either it can from not profit 14 marks, incomplete records 14 marks. They may also increase this to 32, 32. It means it is a minimum weightage. There is a minimum guarantee, or you cannot say as a guarantee. It is they may test you. If you want to test it, they may test you 20 marks. It may or may not. Even from this, they may ask you only 14 mark NPO. This entire weightage, entire discussion, all we are doing it. Based on a past trend, we are giving it. Okay, focus on NPO and incomplete records. Final accounts of sole trader is damn easy. We have uploaded an economic exam oriented batch. We have uploaded exam classes for 25 hours. We have already uploaded bills of exchange consignment put together nearly 6 hours, 30 hours is over. NPO, incomplete records, nearly 4 to 5 hours of classes has already been uploaded. You can take a benefit out of it. 30 to 35 hours of classes, it will be there. And insurance claim also we have uploaded. Just come back again. Okay. Now this is your 5th criteria. First complete NPO, then incomplete records, you can go it. 1/5 part is done. Then come to insurance claim and hire purchase. This is 6th one. Okay. In the 6th one, most probably they are asking loss of stock many times. Only loss of profit has been tested only 1 time or 2 times, I think so. So, if they want to test you logically and they want to make a question paper difficult, the question paper setter will ask the question on loss of profit. That too will be easy. If they want to ask you for easier and make you score little bit higher, they will ask you from loss of profit. It will be majorly in the ratio of 5:1. 5 times they will ask loss of profit, then only loss of stock they will ask 5 times, then only they will ask loss of profit. It will be in that kind of ratio. So focus on that area. Higher purchase and installment deals also you can do. Follow whatever the sums they have given and you can do it. This is 6th part. Then 7th. In 7th part, you will go with partnership. In 7th part, in partnership, you will focusing on admission, retirement, death will be on one side. Admission, retirement, death will be your one bucket. Remaining is dissolution. That is realization account, partners capital account, realization, not revaluation, it is realization, partners capital, and then balance sheet. That type of question, do 1 or 2 questions from past papers, that is more than sufficient, and 1 or 2 questions from admissions, retirement, and death. That is more than sufficient regarding partnership. Next, if time permits, do branch and departmental. Okay, that's sorry, 8th part, branch and departmental. If you have time, do departmental. Okay, finally put branch. Because partnership, if you have some more basics, Those who are 12th standard, those who are BCom, you have already studied. For 12th standard, you directly from CMA Foundation, directly jumping into CMA Inter, you don't have a good knowledge on branch accounts, but you have a very good ample of knowledge on partnership accounts. So make sure you're focusing on a partnership and crack it well. Okay, because why I'm giving a least weightage? Because entirely it is going to be only 19 to 20 marks. Okay, this section E. So make sure your focusing should be at last. Okay, then coming back for this, we have announced a free MCQ test series. Okay, there is a description in the description. We are having an app. In the app, you can download in free resources. After the login, in free resources, we have two tabs. One is videos, free videos, and test. Okay, in test, you will have a folder CMA Inter, Group 1 and Group 2. Sorry, Group 1, Set A, and Group 1, Set B. Super duper questions we have created and we have taken from various sources, from past paper questions, materials, everything we have taken. For papers, coming to past papers, that is suggested answers. All the questions from syllabus 2016 you need to do, starting from December 2017, those 8 question papers. Okay, those 8 question papers you need to do. December 17, the entire 17 you will get 2 question paper. Okay, 2018 you will get 2 question paper. 2019 you will get 2 question paper. You get total 6 question papers. Now 2022 you will get 1 question. Don't do December 2021 question. Don't do December 2021 question. You will feel very difficult. Don't do December 2021. December 2021 question paper don't do. Only do December 2022 question. So total 7 question papers you need to do. For model question papers, syllabus 2016, June 23 questions, syllabus 2022, June 23 questions. Okay, current year model question papers, you can do it on the examination day, plus December 23. Plus December 23 I have had. And for MCQs, you can focus on new questions on e-bulletins. You can download it from the institute website. And then bit question as per from syllabus 2016, workbook from 2016 plus module, that is study material. Yes, some study material. You can focus on this part. Okay, you can focus on this part for paper number 6. All the best for your exams. Rock your exams.